I don't have a specific winners and losers file. However, if you wish to run a winners and losers tournament, you might find the following procedure helpful. The first thing you need to do is download a tournament file from my website after you've decided what conditions of play you are going to use to decide the winners, wins, margins, least shots scored against, all that sort of thing, and how many teams you've actually got. The file you can see in front of you is I've already downloaded, obviously, is wins, margins, and least shots scored against. Now, because we can't do the draw for the second and third round, if you're doing a 3-round winners and losers file, the first thing we need to do with this file is remove the draw from those 2 rounds. To do that, we go up here to review, click on unprotect sheet, you click on this cell here, you hold down your left key, drag across and go down to the bottom of this cell, and we're going to delete the verses and the rinks. We do that by highlighting all those numbers and then pressing the delete key on the keyboard. And we do the same to round 3, left click, hold down your left key, drag down to the bottom, let your key go, press the delete key on the keyboard. Now, as you can see over here, I've already done some work here. That's just to save us time, so it's not you don't find it boring while I have to put in all the scores. Now, whenever you use my tournament file, the first thing you should do is always click on the sort button above the rink number, and that brings the 2 rinks together, as you can see all the way down. It makes entering the scores a lot easier. So let's say that in the first game the score was 20-10. We put that in. You can see that box has gone red. That indicates that the 2 columns don't balance at the moment. So we put in the corresponding score, which is 10-20, and then the box goes green again, and you know that everything's correct. Now, as I said, to save time, I've already put in a lot of information here. To be able to copy these scores from over here to here, we have to click on Review Unprotect Sheet, because every time you click on one of these sort buttons, the sheet gets automatically protected again. So we go Review Unprotect Sheet. We come over, well, you obviously aren't going to have to do this. This is just to save us time. You don't want to sit there and watch me putting all those scores in. So there we go. Okay, now after the first round, we then come over here and click on Click to Sort, which sorts the rankings, in this case from 1 to 24. Now you can see the top 12 teams, the top 12 winners from the first round are now in order, with the best rated team at the top, and then the same for the ones who didn't win the first round. Now at this stage, this is where you're going to spend a bit of time when you're running the tournament, because you've put all the scores in and now you have to do this work. So we unprotect the sheet and we come across to here and we see that Team 20, we have Team 20 is going to play the bottom placed of the top teams, which is Team 23. So we put Team 20 is going to play 23, and Team 23 obviously is going to play Team 20. And we'll put them, have a look here, they played on rink 13, they played on 10, so we'll put them on 1, so we don't want them playing on the same rink twice. Then we've got team number 4 is going to play team number 17, so I'll put 17 in here and 4 in here, and we check, we want to put them on rink 2, let's say, they played on 3, they played on 11, so we can put them on rink 2, and we go all the way down doing the same thing. Now, as I said, to save time, I've already got all of this information I'm typing in here in place here, so I can just copy it across. Okay, now at this stage we want to put in the scores. That's the draw for the second round. So with the scores are coming in, we click on the sort button to bring all the rinks together, and then we can put in the scores. Again, unprotect the sheet. scores for that round, which I've already done here. I showed you how to put the scores in a minute ago, so it's just the same deal. Okay, so now we click to sort over here. This is the ranking sort button after 2 rounds. You've got 6 teams that have won 2 games, and then that number for 1 game, and no winners. So it's the same deal here. Have to unprotect the sheet again. We've got 4 wants to play, will play 14. So that's 14 goes in there, and 4 goes in here. And we'll put them on rink, say, 9. They've played on 3 and 2. They've played on 4 and 9, so that's no good. So we'll put them on rink 10 and rink 10. And you go and fill all the rest in like I showed you before. Once again, I've already done that. So we just copy this information across. Save you getting bored. Okay. Now again, we click on the sort button when the scores start coming in after the 3rd round to put all the rinks together. Unprotect sheet. I'm going to come over here and take the scores, which I'd already prepared to save us time. And there we go. And now we click the sort button. And you can see all the 3 game winners are at the top, and the 2 game winners and the 1 game winners. Now, as I said, I used wins, margins, and at least shots scored against. I really like least shots scored against because it does break up ties like it's done here. Team 18's got 3 points and 13 margin. 14's got 3 points and 13 margin. But Team 18 shown as 2nd and the other team shown as 3rd because Team 18 has only got 9 shots there against, 12 there, which makes 21, and 12 makes 33 against, 33. And then we've got 14 and 14 is 28, and 16 is 38, 44, I think. Doesn't matter. That team has got least shots scored against than that team, and that's what breaks the tie up. I hope this helps. It's a lot of people ask for winners versus winners and losers versus losers, but I can't see any other way to do it because of the fact you have to redo the draw after every round. Thanks for watching. Bye.